Good morning, everyone. I just got Whole Foods Amazon delivered groceries. I kind of tried to use all of my food before leaving for Thanksgiving, and I didn't have any. So we have all of this. Okay guys, look at how beautiful this is. We have lemons I'm going to use for lemon water, some apples just to snack on, bananas, strawberries and blueberries that I'm going to either just snack on or use in these little yogurt cups, with this granola that I bought. Just kind of pair all of that together. I think will be really yummy. Some grapes, literally like the biggest box of grapes I've ever seen. Eggs, chicken breast, bacon, Parmesan cheese, snap peas, some penne, 2 things of that, some English muffins for breakfast, sweet potato fries, and then veggie straws to snack on as well. So it's not that much, but it'll definitely get me by for a while. And doing the Amazon Prime delivery is so easy. I went and I worked out this morning and then got it delivered. I'm going to put all of this away, make some breakfast, and then get ready for work. I just got a package that is one of those hair blowout wands. I'm tired of straightening my hair. I feel like it damages it so much. I'm gonna shower right now, so it's perfect timing because I'm going to shower and then probably eat breakfast and let it air dry just a little bit. I'll link it down below because it's so cheap. I don't know if it was a Cyber Monday thing or if it's normally like that. My parents are coming though on Sunday because I finally have a couch. So that's where we're at. I just have to work again today and every day. I will see you when I make breakfast because I don't know what I'm gonna make yet. Maybe some eggs. Okay, so it worked. I don't know how to do like this part of my hair as well, but the bangs are out to play. Bacon, eggs, and we're gonna do an English muffin with peanut butter. Good morning, it is Wednesday. Hi. Today I'm going to kind of work on a fun video for you guys. I want to do more videos revolving fashion and kind of like showing you how I style certain things and different outfits and such like that. My style has evolved and changed so much since the beginning of my YouTube. Like, it's actually just not even comparable. You'll see that video. Either it might come out before this one or it might come out after this. I really don't know. But anyways, I want to go get a bagel. There's a bagel shop right down the street, like a 5-minute walk from me. Sounds really good right now. So I'm gonna go take like 20 minutes, not 20, probably 10, 15 minutes to go get myself some breakfast. I haven't left my apartment in like 2 days, so I figured it'd probably be good to do that at least once today. Look how cute. Looks like a cheeseburger. Oh my gosh. It's kind of plain. Like the cheese they put on it, I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal. I kind of wish I got bacon on it, but it was like $3 extra, which I feel like is kind of a lot. So good. This lighting, man, is just not it. Oh, I'm tired today. I don't know what is in the air, but I think I maybe just drank my coffee too fast this morning. I like chugged it at 7 a.m. and usually when I do that, it makes me crash a little bit. So I guess that is my fault. Got another package. It's not really anything exciting. It's a broom and a dustpan and a bar of soap. So yeah, that is my excitement for this wonderful Wednesday. That and a bagel. It's my bar of soap. And then my broom, which I'm confused. I guess I have to like put it together. Bar of soap I saw it on TikTok, and apparently it's supposed to help clear up your skin. I've had skin issues since going to college, so for like the past 4 or 5 years, and it's not like terrible, but I'm still kind of like insecure about it, and when I do get stressed and stuff like that, it can get pretty bad. I literally didn't have problems in high school, and then all of a sudden I got to like the more important parts of my life that caused me more stress, and poof, there it is. So yeah, I've tried a gazillion things. I've spent so much money on skincare. I've tried like actual like pills, just so much shit from the dermatologist and whatnot, and none of it seems to work. So we're gonna give this bar of soap a try and just see what happens. It was only like 10 bucks, and the girl that said she bought it had the same issues as I did, where it's like not super red or like big pimples or anything. It's just kind of a lot of like texture, I guess, and then kind of random breakouts every once in a while, but I just can't ever get it to really go away. And yeah, so I'm gonna try it, and if it works, I'll let you guys know. Clean up a little on the floor. I'm constantly cleaning my counters and stuff because it's such a small space that you like need to, but the floors have yet to be touched. This is probably like the most entertaining video ever, I'm sure. Everyday things, just living life like a normal person. Okay, it's enough of that. Don't want to bore you to death. I'll see you tomorrow. A new little addition. My light bulb is coming later today, but I'm really excited because now I can read before I go to bed and actually be able to see. So no, will come over. There's like